Ecdysteroids are a class of compounds found in certain plants and insects that have shown promise in promoting muscle growth and reducing body fat. A study conducted by endocrinologists at the University of Goettingen in Germany explored the effects of low doses of ecdysteroids on muscle building in rats. The research focused on 20-hydroxyecdisone, a specific type of ecdysteroid. The study used female rats that had their ovaries removed to simulate post-menopausal conditions. This allowed the researchers to examine the effects of ecdysteroids without interference from natural sex hormones. The researchers administered different doses of ecdysterone to the rats, 18 milligrams, 56 milligrams, and 116 milligrams daily. They compared the results to control groups that received either regular feed or feed containing a small amount of synthetic estradiol. After 3 months, the rats given ecdysteroids showed significant changes in body composition. They gained less fat overall compared to the control group that received regular feed. The higher doses of ecdysteroids were particularly effective in reducing peritibial fat, which is a marker for subcutaneous fat located under the skin. Importantly, all doses of ecdysteroids inhibited the growth of visceral fat. This type of fat surrounds organs in the abdominal cavity and is associated with an increased risk of cardiovascular disease. The reduction in visceral fat is a particularly beneficial outcome for overall health. In addition to fat reduction, the ecdysteroids demonstrated an anabolic effect on muscle mass. The rats given ecdysteroids showed increased muscle growth compared to the control groups. This finding suggests that ecdysteroids may have potential as a muscle-building supplement. The researchers noted that the effects of ecdysteroids were not dose-dependent in a linear fashion. They observed similar results across all 3 doses, which suggests that even lower doses might be effective. This points to a possible bell-shaped dose-response curve, where moderate doses are optimal and higher doses may not provide additional benefits. When translating these findings to human applications, the researchers applied a pharmacological rule stating that rodents typically require 10 to 15 times higher doses per kilogram of body weight to achieve the same effects as humans. Based on this calculation, the lowest dose used in the study corresponds to doses suggested for normal human consumption, while the highest dose aligns with quantities used by bodybuilders. The study concluded that a daily dose of several hundred milligrams of ecdysteroids could be sufficient to promote muscle growth in humans. However, the researchers also suggested that even lower doses might be effective due to the observed bell-shaped response curve. It's important to note that this study was conducted on rats, and further research is needed to confirm these effects in humans. Additionally, the ecdysteroids did not show any estrogenic effects in the rats, as evidenced by the lack of impact on their uterus. This suggests that ecdysteroids may offer muscle-building benefits without unwanted hormonal side effects. These findings provide valuable insights into the potential use of ecdysteroids as a supplement for muscle growth and fat reduction. However, individuals considering using ecdysteroid supplements should approach them with caution and ideally consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating them into their regimen.